subscribe with notifications on.
Right. Yeah. Guys. Ish. Yeah. Guys. Welcome to another video. Welcome to another banger. Alright guys, listen to me. I just want us to share something today. I want to know from you guys. You know, I understand there's a lot of things that is happening in the world about dating and all those type of things. I'm not going to focus only on one topic. I'll focus on multiple topics so we can engage, together and be together and be able to understand each other. All right. Now, I want to know from you my brother, you my sister. I want to know from you. Tell me, is a low financial stability the main reason why there is more white people now these days dating our African sisters? What is the problem? Is there a problem or is there a blessing? Is it a problem or is it a blessing? Let me just maybe try to rephrase it and ask it nicely. I have seen so many black African women now these days. They are now dating white people. And most of these white people are not South African. I have never seen any white personnel or any white person from my own country, South Africa, dating or hearing anybody or maybe seeing any of them married to a black African woman. What is the problem? What is the problem? Or what nyonya vela? Abarati vela. Don't they? Are they still in the backwards of this apartheid era thing that you can? I'm a white person. I cannot date an African black woman. But look at this nicely. Check what's happening. You can go anywhere. We've seen people, a lot of them on YouTube. Most of them, those men, white men who are dating our African sisters these days are not from South Africa. They are probably from other countries, Chinese, from the States, maybe from Germany, from Italy and so forth. But our own South African white men, they don't want to get involved with our own South African women, black South African women. So I'm asking myself, why do you think that we've got many of these white men now these days dating black African women? What is the problem? Is it because of they are running away from their own women, white women, because of low financial stability? Let me just try to explain this so you can understand why I'm saying it. A white woman's breakfast is very expensive. You cannot feed a white woman just plain bread to say it's breakfast. Plain bread and tea, you can't. But you can feed a black African woman a plain bread, bologna, and tea. That's enough. We appreciate. But a white woman, they need bacon, they need all this, they need ration, they need all these type of things, they need proper breakfast. Hence, I'm saying, is it because of low financial stability that most of these white men are dating our African sisters? Is that a problem? If you've got any views whatsoever, please let's share with me. What is the problem? Why do you think? Why do you see many of them now these days are dating our own African sisters? And why is our South African white men does not want to date our African sisters? What is that? And you see, in South Africa right now, you've got some men, black African men, who are dating white women. I'm not talking about celebrities. No. I won't talk about celebrities. Like, this guy is playing for rugby. Who is his name? From Eastern Cape. What's his name? What is his name? This famous guy is playing for rugby, man. Yeah, what's his name? I forgot his name. But if you remember, Sia Kolisi. Yeah, Sia Kolisi. He's a celebrity. Obviously, there is money involved there and all those type of things. But if that guy were to be broke, do you think that woman will continue dating him? I'm asking guys, please help me. I want to know, do you think he will still have a wife? Is this money that is combining them, or not only him, but a lot of celebrities? I don't want to just say Sia Kolisi, but it was just an example. Don't get me wrong, it was just an example. But now, and most of these South African women, I've seen plenty of them, saying, I wish I can get a man, a white woman, a white man, who can take care of me. You know what I'm thinking? These women, our South African women, they are not looking for love. They need these men, these white men. They go to them because of financial stability. Pela, you must remember one thing. Even if any white man that is currently broke, any South African woman will go for him. Because those people, they're not like us. They don't like the thing of begging. Those people, even if they've got low financial stability, they are able to survive. They are able to survive. But when you check that man, any white woman, any white man that is broke, maybe probably he's got less than 100,000 rand in his bank account. That's when you call them broke white people. But your South African man who is broke doesn't even have 2 rand in his bank account. Not even 1 rand in his own wallet. That's how tough our situation is. So these women, they actually go out and say they are looking for these white men because of some of them. They look at people. It's competition, man. They are competing. You know why I'm saying they're competing, guys? Let me just say this to you. They are competing. You know why I'm saying it? Some of